Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to show you the best mobile photo editing software of 2020. Yes, this is not a Photoshop, Premiere Pro or After Effects tutorial, but trust me, this video will help you a lot if you are using your phone on the go to edit your photos. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. First of all, download the Snapseed apps from the App Store or Play Store. I'm using this aerial shot to show you some cool features of Snapseed. I took the photo from a building and the glass was not clean at all. That's why there are a lot of dust on the photo. First of all, let's adjust the tone of the photo. Play with the numbers because the value is different for each photos. Tap and hold on the photo to see the before and the after. Now let's remove some dust spot with the cool healing tool. See the changes. As in my photo, my sky was overexposed and have so many dust over there, I'm going to replace the sky. Let's go to Google and download some sky overlays. Then go to Snapseed and open the double exposure. Now add your sky on the image and reposition it. Change the opacity and position it on a perfect place so that it looks natural. Now let's brush out some parts to make it realistic. Give some time to make it real. Also, you can decrease the fill to use lower number of effects. As I am recording the video now, that's why I am giving less time than usual. But you can give your time to make it perfect. It already looking amazing. Now go to back and see the before and the after. You can see that the photo which is before and which is after look completely different one. Also, you can expand the photo with the cool expand tool inside Snapseed. Now let's use some HDR effect to the photo. If you want to add some text, you can type out. There are a lot of templates here. Now see the before and the after, and you will see the difference. Now let's export the photo. Now this is your before and this is your after. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe and channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.